Look. She looks so good. I can't. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Jayla, and as you can tell by today's title, it is a hairstyling video, a recreating Pinterest hairstyling videos at that. I've seen this video or this picture everywhere a million times on Pinterest, and I've wanted to recreate it so bad because the girl's gorgeous. She's giving gorgeous curls, and I wanted to do it. I wanted to be a cute little baddie as well. I think it turned out so pretty and so cute, and it was so easy. It really only took me about 5 to 10 minutes when I got the hang of it, and I really don't know much to do with my hair. So if you need a quick, easy style, just keep on watching. As always, like, comment, and subscribe if you want to keep seeing my face and you just like my vibe. Just subscribe to my channel. I'll be up on your page all the time. Now let's get into the video. All right, guys, my hair's already, well, it was already curled out. I haven't combed them out yet, a little bit, but not quite. So I have a hairstyle I have in mind that I'm gonna try to do. We're gonna see, because it's this one. The girl ate on this, and I'm gonna try to recreate it, but I'm not too sure. We're gonna do our best. So now, first things first, we're gonna use a rat tail comb, a couple hair bows, a regular brush, and I might use a claw clip because my hair is so long. We're still gonna see on that. So okay, first things first is let's do crisscross parts. So we're gonna do them really zigzag. She has them super zigzag. So this is our first one. Okay, let's get that part out the way. And she does deep, like super deep zigzags. So turn this off. I only want to do 1 or 2. I mean 2 or 3. 2. I'm gonna do 3 because. So this is what it should look like first, and then just do 1 teensy more. Okay. So the zigzag should look around like this. Okay. Okay. So the next step, I'm gonna have to recurl my hair, y'all. What in the world? I look a little crazy, a little cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. So the next step is to she takes 2 right off of here. So I'm gonna take 1 little tiny piece here, because I'm gonna curl it again, because nope, that'll do. No, and then I'll take another one like right here. So again, super tiny. I feel like that's too far out. Let's do 1 right here. Just take about half of this because that's a little too much. Again, my hair is a lot longer. I don't know than hers because hers is put up. So okay, now those are out the way. We need, oh wait, where's the other part? 1, 2, 3. Okay. The next step is the part where you want the half up, half down to be. And this for me is like down here. So my half up, half down is gonna start here. But this is gonna be this way. So if you want it here or here, but the only thing is if you start a little bit higher, these zigzags are gonna be a little bit hard to maintain that when you start brushing them. So now that I know where I want my hair to start, I'm just gonna start brushing. But remember to keep your zigzags, okay? It's a little difficult. I'm going a little cockeyed, but it's fine. Okay. See how it's coming together. I'm gonna show you guys here and here. So it's coming together. It's just a process because you really do need to make sure your parts, you can still see your parts, because it's real easy to not misplace them. I didn't want to have to use gel, but I think I'm gonna have to use gel. So yeah, I'm gonna use some mousse for it. So now that that's on there a little bit, it should be a little bit easier to keep your hair parted. And then it just slicks down. Oh geez, no. Okay, that's how it's done. Let's move over to this side. And try not to get the bottom of your hair because it'll make it look a little greasy. And don't be scared to pull that thing, okay? You need to make sure your part stays. Okay. I think we're getting somewhere. And make sure you slick that thing. Slick it down so there's no bumps. If you need to use more product, do it. Real Delulu yelling out my man. It's one piece for me. We're gonna go down. Okay. I'm gonna touch up the edges later. Because right now I just need to make sure I get the what's it called right. So this side is done. Just make sure you slick, slick, slick. Now we finally put the hair bow in. I'm gonna tighten this up a little bit now. Now for the easy part. Okay, so you already have your hair. I curled mine because your hair is naturally beautifully curly. And mine actually does not know what to do. So I curled my hair. Okay, and if you want, look at the part. Well, let me go ahead and fix this because this part's gonna drive me nuts. Okay, so I put more mousse in my hair to slick it down a little bit better. Now that that's done, you see my part. I put some more mousse in it, and now if you have shorter hair, you can just use a regular hair bow, but for me I have longer hair, so it'll look about the same. I'm using a baby claw clip, not a big one, but a baby. So I'm just going to twist this up a tiny bit. And do it up, but push it down so it's not too much. Take this claw clip and put it in. Let's see how this looks. I haven't looked at it yet. Okay. Hey girl. Okay. I'm going to tease this up so it looks a little bit more like the picture and it's giving a little bit more volume and curls. And honestly, if you want that, like, maybe I'll do like here. Yeah, a little bit more of the curls up here. Okay. That did a little bit, right? I'm gonna go get my curling iron, curl these front two pieces, and touch up a little bit of the bottom so it gives a little bit more curl, like the top. Let me see how this looks before I look stupid. I really could have left a little bit more out at the bottom. It's like y'all get the gist, right? And so I'm gonna curl these two at the front. All right, y'all, I think I'm gonna keep it how it is, but the front two pieces do need to be curled a little bit, just so it still gives that curly effect. And don't keep them on for too long, cause like, look. She looks so good. I can't even. I cannot wait to go show my man my hair. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. Okay. Okay. So look at this. Look at the part. I think it turned out pretty good. I think it turned out real good. And I might do the bottoms, but maybe a little bit right here because that one looks like it's about to fall. Oh my goodness. All right, I think it turned out pretty good, y'all. I'll show you the back. You can kind of see, again, you can kind of see a little bit. Overall, I think it turned out really well. I think it came out so pretty. I love it. I hope you guys also loved it. Let me know if you have any other Pinterest hairstyles you want me to do. I have like 2 or 3 more in mind. So if you like this video, let me know and I'll keep doing them because one thing I like to do is my hair and to film myself. So I love it. I love it. I think it's so cute and it's so pretty. And it didn't take long, especially if you have like curlier hair because I don't have curly hair. But the girl in the picture has beautiful curls. But yeah, let me know. I have 2 or 3 more in mind that I really want to do. So I probably will come back on here and do another one. But again, that girl had such pretty curly hair. And it's such an easy hairstyle for anybody. Because if I could do it, anybody could do it. So do it. But yeah, let me know if you guys like this video. Subscribe as always. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.